Hey guys, welcome back to another NasiToys video, and welcome back to the workshop. So if you watched my Arthur video, you'll know that he was in a box with a few other engines, and we had to fix all of them up. So today we're going to be fixing this Tomy Steam-Along Thomas, and it has the same problem as Arthur, although not as severe. So you can see the wheels rolling, but as soon as there's friction, it just stops. So we're gonna have to replace this gear as well. And then let's see if the sound and stuff is working. Okay, so the sound is working, and seems like the steam mechanism is as well. So we're gonna pop some water or dampen the cloth in here and see if it's actually working. And then that'll tell us if we need to actually open up Thomas himself and fix anything in there. So let's get started. I went ahead and dampened the cloth, so let's see if it's working. And by the look of it, I can see some steam. Yep, so the steam mechanism is working. So now we just gotta replace this bad gear. And they also sent parts, Steam-Along Thomas. They said I could use this as parts. This one has a good gear in it, so I'll probably replace it. But they also asked if I could get this to work, only if I could. So we'll probably see about that. There is some corrosion in here, so I'm really not sure about it. So we're just going to focus on swapping the gear. Okay, so we got the two sets of wheels, the working one and the broken one. So if you look very closely, if it'll show up on camera, you can see that the gear is split right in there. So that's what's causing it to turn. I'm not sure if I can fix it. I mean, I'll try, but I'm just going to swap the wheel sets. I need to clean this because it's very dirty, and I'll probably swap the traction tires as well. So before I actually swap the wheels, I'm going to try something on this gear. I saw someone else do it in their video, but what they did was squeeze the two sides together with a pair of needle nose pliers and then apply a bit of super glue in there and just held it together for however long the super glue needed to dry, and it looked like it worked. So because this is already bad gear, I'm going to try it and see if we can salvage it. Okay, so the glue kind of semi-works. I mean, the gap is smaller, but it's not fully together. So I'm just going to swap the wheels and then possibly get a new set to if I decide to fix this up. Okay, so we got it working how it should. The gear's good and the smoke mechanism is working. Another successful repair. Next, we'll probably do the turbo, Thomas. The problem with this is the turbo isn't working. And then after that, or before that, we'll see about doing this. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.